Today, I'd like to show you how you can remove a cassette from your free hub. It's pretty easy to do. You only need two special tools. This one is for the lock ring. You have to slide this into your hub like that, and you have to turn this lock ring counterclockwise to loosen it, but you can't even hold the cassette by hand. So this is the point where another tool came in, and it's a chain whip. So you have to put your chain whip onto the cassette. It gives you the power to hold the cassette in place where you want to loosen the lock ring. And now you can just simply loosen the lock ring. So it should turn smoothly, and yeah, here's the lock ring. You can slide this away, remove the chain whip, and you can just simply remove the cassette. So that's how you do it. Anyway, I hope you find this video useful or interesting. If you did, please subscribe, drop a like, and of course, have a nice day.